Hey there, car detailing enthusiasts. If you're looking to take your business online and attract more customers, building a website is a game changer. Today, I'm walking you through how to create a professional website for your car detailing services using Wix, one of the easiest platforms out there. Whether you're a beginner or have some tech savvy, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Wix website and sign up for a free account. It's quick and straightforward, just enter your email and create a password. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of templates. For a car detailing business, look for ones under the Business or Services category. Pick a template that has a clean, modern look with plenty of space for images of sparkling cars. That's key for showcasing your work. Next, customize your template to make it your own. Start by editing the header and adding your business name and logo. Wix has a drag and drop editor, so it's super intuitive. Add pages like Home, Services, Gallery, and Contact. For the Services page, list out what you offer, like waxing, polishing, or interior cleaning, with clear descriptions and pricing. Don't forget to upload high-quality before and after photos in the Gallery to wow potential customers. Now, let's make it functional. Add a contact form or even a booking system if Wix offers it. This way, clients can reach out directly. Optimize for mobile by checking how your site looks on different devices. Wix does this automatically, but always preview it. And for better visibility, include some basic SEO, like using keywords such as car detailing services in your page titles and descriptions. Finally, once everything's polished, hit that Publish button. Test your site to ensure links work and pages load quickly. There you go. You've just built a stunning website that could bring in more business. If you run into any issues, Wix has great support resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Word count 385.